Here at the desktop on the Google search, you want to type for Robinhood right here. And then on Robinhood.com, you want to click on it. After that, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click login. Here on login to Robinhood, you want to type in your email and password. And I do recommend to check on this one on keep me login for 30 days. So you don't get logged out when you close or shut down the computer. And then click login right here. And after you type your email and your password, there will be a second confirmation from Robinhood. We can call it as 2FA or two-factor authentication right here. You can choose whether you want to receive the code from Robinhood application from your phone right here by clicking on recent notification. Or if you not installed the application yet, you can also receive it from your phone number by SMS by clicking on send text instead. After that, the code will be sent to you by text or by application, and then you can type it right here. And after that, you will be logged into your Robinhood account. And then about two-factor authentication, if you do actually complete sign up for the Robinhood account right here on finish signing up, where you insert your phone number, address, the zip code, and then the social security number, if you do actually complete it, your two-factor authentication will automatically turn on. And there you go. That's how to sign in or log in to Robinhood account. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.